It feels like air. Literally, I'm holding the air. I like this design. It says 22.8 grams. And trust me, this is not a very heavy case. This is a plastic case. I wonder what is the weight of this thing. I think it's like 1 gram. The moment of truth. Hello guys, I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I will unbox and review some new accessories for my iPhone 15 Pro Max and my Apple Watch Ultra 2. I always wanted to have this super slim case like this one from Pitaka and this carbon fiber band for my Apple Watch Ultra 2. Just look at that, it looks stunning. The standard silicone band is kinda boring. The FineWoven cases for the iPhone 15 Pro Max from Apple are bad, but thanks God there are a whole bunch of third-party manufacturers who make amazing products for iPhone and Apple Watch, like Pitaka. So let's unbox the packages and see what's inside. Let's start with this case. So from what I know, it's a limited edition. The standard case is all black, it's made from aramid fiber, 1500D, MagSafe compatible. Okay, let's see what's inside the box. Oh, Pitaka, we care for our planet. The package is made of 100% biodegradable materials. I like the package. Okay, some information here. Here is the beauty. Wow, it feels very light, like it's... I wonder what's the weight of this case. Guys, just look at that. It's super light. Honestly, I think it weighs like 5 grams or maybe 4 grams. It has this MagSafe compatibility. Of course, it's compatible with MagSafe. There is Pitaka branding, and you can really feel this aramid fiber texture. Here it says, I was a phone case, because they are recycling old phone cases and making new ones. I like this design. It says 22.8 grams. Let's check this one. It's made from plastic. It's 46. And trust me, this is not a very heavy case. This is a plastic case. So this is 2 times lighter than any standard case for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Of course, I don't think it offers the same kind of level of protection than any bulky cases, but the goal of this product is to really embellish your product, protect from accidental damages. Of course, if you are working on a construction site, it would be better to get a more solid case, but if you're just an average potato and you want to preserve this natural feel of your iPhone 15 Pro Max, I think it looks stunning. Your ports are accessible, your buttons are accessible, and you can really feel this aramid fiber texture. Wow, I think it looks amazing. Let's check the Apple Watch band. It comes in this nice box, aramid fiber, carbon fiber, okay. And the unboxing feels really premium. Some information here. And this is the beauty. Look at that. Just look at that. It feels amazing. And you can really see this carbon fiber. Like the quality of this thing is amazing. So let's check the weight of this bracelet. It feels like air. Literally, I'm holding the air. Let's see what else we got in the box. We have this little box with some accessories. Okay. So before installing the band, I would like to install this AirCase. Let's remove it from here. Again, it looks very nice. Made from carbon fiber, very light and very strong. Just look at that. I wonder what is the weight of this thing. I think it's like 1 gram. So here you can see a quick guide on how to put this AirCase on your Apple Watch. Let's follow the instruction. So first you have to put this digital crown. Wait a second. No, like that. First you have to put it here. It was not difficult. This carbon fiber case snaps right into place and it looks amazing. Like, it doesn't look cheap like other AliExpress accessories. It's perfectly tailored, so your microphone hole is accessible, your speaker is accessible, your action button is accessible, digital crown, home button, and you can change the color of your Apple Watch. Now we have the first carbon fiber, aka space black Apple Watch Ultra 2. It looks unusual. Okay, let's put a band and see how it looks. Wow. It looks fresh. It looks new. It looks different. It looks really different. And it's very light. You can see Pitaka logo. Okay guys, I removed 4 links and now the bracelet feels like tailored for my hand. Just look at that, it feels amazing. And this Apple Watch Ultra 2 feels brand new. Pitaka logo. It feels surprisingly light. Like this band, this rubber band is very heavy. And this is carbon fiber. Well, next, let's unbox this power dongle for Apple Watch. I think it will be really handy to use this USB-C power dongle with my iPhone 15 Pro Max because it has USB-C port, so I will be able to charge my Apple Watch on the go. Looks interesting. Let's put it aside and see what's inside the box. Some papers. Let's see the product itself. Pretty satisfying. It's magnetic. You can see the Pitaka logo, and it's fully translucent. It's fully transparent, so you can see what's inside. Here you have the USB-C port. Let's try to charge my Apple Watch using my iPhone. Let's put it here. The moment of truth. Finally, you can charge your Apple Watch straight from your iPhone. Well, it looks a little bit weird, but it works, and this is the essential part here. And the magnet is really strong. You see, Apple Watch is not falling. Honestly, I'm impressed. I think everyone needs this little power dongle. It's so satisfying. You can also use this little dongle with any external battery, like this one, and it will charge your Apple Watch on the go. Super convenient. This is probably my favorite device. And once you finish charging, boom, you can put it into your pocket. What else we have here? MagEZ Grip 2. Okay. Let's put it here. It's made from metal and it feels very premium. Let's try it on my case. Snaps in place. And it's very solid. Trust me, magnets here are like super strong. So this is my first time using Pitaka products, and my overall opinion is quite positive. I really like the quality. I think the price-quality ratio is okay. These products feel really premium, especially the case. You can feel this aramid fiber texture. The Apple Watch band is interesting. It looks different. It looks new. It looks fresh. The little power dongle, it's a nice accessory. It's nice to have it in my backpack, especially while traveling, so no need to carry this power charging cable. And the coolest feature that you can charge your Apple Watch right from your iPhone if you have iPhone 15 or 15 Pro series. If you are interested in purchasing these accessories, links will be in the description, so check it out if you're interested. Thanks again for watching, and see you next time on YouTube. Bye bye. I almost finished editing this video and I discovered one more thing. The box is magnetic too. So I almost finished saying that I finished editing this video, but I discovered one more thing. This case has an NFC chip built inside, and you can get an exclusive wallpaper.